In and out. Whisper and shout. Weak and strong. Are you reading to me or am I reading to you? Right and wrong. Next page. Hot and cold. You don't even know what that is. Young. You know what that is. And old. That's like grandpa. Wet and dry. Hello, goodbye. The end, Taylor.